Hi guys, as it's such a lovely afternoon, I thought I'd come out and give you all a tour of the garden. You've got to excuse quite a bit of the mess because it's still a work in progress. So here we have a huge dirt mound which is soon to be turned into like a big raised bed all across there. And then if we go over this way, excuse my camera work, I'm quite unsteady on my feet. On our table here we've got the strawberries and the little runners that we've put in the pots. I think there's 6 runners off there at the moment. Let's just have a little check. Yeah, 4 more that side. So we've got those. Over on the back wall here we've got a large pot and a smaller pot of peas there. They both are French dwarf beans. They were just some red onion scraps. There's some carrots there and then another 2 along there. The carrots are to be moved, but I'm just unsure at the moment where. And then here we have some sweet corn. It's getting a bit closer and I can show you. There are 4 pots here with the sweet corn in, and they each have 2. But a few days ago, these 2 in these pots, if you can see those there, have produced what I believe is the male flower. I'm actually quite worried because they're really short. And on the videos I've watched, they seem to be more kind of this height, sort of chest height before they do that. So, a bit nervous about that, but we'll see how we go. We do have quite a few little beans growing on here. Now that I've said that, I won't be able to find any. Where are they all hiding? You can see a couple in there. There are definitely bigger ones. Where have they all gone? Ah, there we go. You can see a big one down there. Nice big one there. And the same with the peas. These ones only came out here yesterday, but these ones have actually got some peas growing on them, which are starting to fill out now. There's not very many, but I have one son that likes peas. Oh, I forgot that one. Yeah, one son that likes peas, nobody else does. There's some more of the French beans there. I believe these are dwarf French beans. And then carrots, I think those ones need to come out soon because they're definitely not looking very good. But with the cucumbers, I've just sort of got this trellisy stuff going up the wall. And then we've got quite a few cucumbers down here. They're getting a nice size. One down the back there you can't quite see, but as I say, there are quite a few. Lots of little baby ones growing, little tiny diddy ones. But my favourite by far have got to be these 2, which were the first 2 that came out. I don't know if you can see there next to my hand. They're actually, try and move that leaf out of the way, actually quite large. So I'd say they're probably 4 or 5 inches now. Really looking nice and healthy. So that's that part. If we have a quick zoom round, there we have just a temporary greenhouse which at the moment's got all the chilli plants in it. That was bought from Wilkinson's. It's just sitting on pallets. Here we have all of the potatoes. This is what I call Potato Alley. All up this bit. Wheelbarrow just to empty stuff out, move stuff. This pot here, I actually put some watermelons in yesterday. And then we've got the gherkins up here, which are all coming along quite nicely. Some of them are actually getting quite large now. You can see those in there. There's quite a lot growing, quite a few. I did have shorter sticks in these, but as they were sort of overtaking the garden, you see that big one there? Oh, where is it? There. Yeah, as they were growing quite a lot at such a rapid rate, we had to take out the smaller sticks and put in some larger ones. So there are 4 bags on there with 2 plants in each, and that again is just an old pallet crate thing. And then over in this corner We've got some, I think they're broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage maybe. I can't remember which is which. This one's actually the cauliflower. No, that's broccoli. You can see it's just starting to come out a little bit there. That one also is broccoli. And that one I believe is cabbage. Yep. I've got some tiny little lettuces in there. In here we have the rhubarb, which I had in small pots for a while, but I finally managed to get it into just this big old toy crate that we had that was doing nothing, and they're coming along quite nicely. And then I'll zoom past the hot tub and just take a quick peek over here. We have some of the flowers there, and then just there, if I can zoom in a bit for you, this is where all the tomato plants are going. So at the moment there's 4 or 5 of them over there, and I'm going to put some chilli plants out over there as well, I think. And then there's just 2 more hanging baskets, one there, and that's it for the back garden. So yep, that's it, pretty much the view of the garden. This big pile of wood here is actually all going in the chimney and being burnt off bit by bit to get it out of the way. It's actually old fence panels, so rather than just take them to the dump, we thought we'd use them in the chimney, save some money on wood and get rid of the wood that we had. So yeah, one last look at the gherkins there. Oh, and let's not forget the dogs. That's my 2 dogs there, Sunny and Rubes, making the most of the sunshine. And that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the garden. Sorry again for the camera, as I say, I'm a bit unsteady on my feet. But hopefully we can get some more stuff growing and then take it from there. Thanks for watching, guys.